Here I have VIVO V21e, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tapping on it once you can switch to hotspot by holding your finger and you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up device's name, like a hotspot's name. You can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change its security protocol. You can change hotspot password. You can set up one-time mobile data usage limit. You can set your hotspot to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and you can also enable extended compatibility. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.